Hey everybody, Brent here with Autosport Labs. Well, you're looking at what is probably the final demo for the pit to car alerts, and we're pretty close to getting this ready for beta testing. So what you're looking at on the left is the RaceCapture app and the dashboard mode, and on the right you're looking at the Podium dashboard. And if you're familiar with the dashboard, you can see that there's a new small section for messages in the upper left. So we have a small area where messages show up and a place where you can enter messages to send to the running app in the race car. So let's say you want to ask your driver if they are okay. So are you okay? If you add a question mark, the driver will be presented with an X or a check. So it keys off that question mark to prompt the driver to select one or the other. So if they're okay, they would hit check. If not, they would hit the X. So check responds with a yes. And what you've noticed here is this green checkbox. That's special. So what that means is that it actually showed up on the RaceCapture dashboard. It's a confirmation. It's what we call an acknowledge. But if you see that check, then you have confidence that that message actually showed up for the driver. So the driver responds yes. And okay, so let's go. All right, you want him to come in 10 laps. 10 more laps. And then because they were not presented with a question mark, it is just showing the X. So when they hit the X, then the driver acknowledges it and it says okay. And that's it. That's how it works. It's simple and effective. And right now we have it wired up through the app with app telemetry. We have one more task to do, and that is to wire up through the cellular module, and then we'll have this thing buttoned up end to end, and we'll be ready to go into beta testing. All right, thanks for following along, and thanks for all your suggestions and enthusiasm, and we'll get this out to you as soon as possible. Thanks.